Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic testmain.com. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I will share with you its salient features and detailed information. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel today as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So let's move further. So guys, let's talk about what is testmain. So from the name one can easily understand that it deals with delicious food and economy. So what is the basic objective behind the formation of TestMain? Its main objective is to grow Maine's food economy by unifying all food regions of the 16 counties of Maine. Their main goal is to expand the sales of each region's unique product by building sales channels outside their state. Now, talking about the commitment, they have said that they are bringing vested stakeholders together to build an amplified marketing story. They used to identify the channels opportunities that have not been maximized. They used to create funds and sponsorship and ticket sales that sustain a consistent engagement between producers and buyers. There is an execution platform for TestMain. Besides this, their key strategies include market a Maine food brand. Then next is import culinary influence, which includes chefs, buyers and culinary mentors hosted at TestMain's future events in food and beverage regions of Maine. Then the third key strategy is to export the Maine food story, like the farmers, fishers and producers are funded by the in-state TestMain's future events to travel to key market area which is out of the state events to build their demand for the products. Now talking about their Re-Up Me story, we can say let's look into it first. So, the Re-Up Me Restaurant Relief Fund was created to directly support the restaurants who are in the midst of reopening, rehiring, or restocking. It is anticipated that the rebuilding of the Maine hospitality economy is going to take several years. So, if you want to donate some amount of money, you can do it here. Like, click on the donate section. You have to fill your name, email address, your contribution, why you have chosen it and your comments, and then you can continue for payment and it will be done. Now if you want to check about their past events, you can click, and if you go into Why Maine, you can showcase the unique features. So what is written here? Let's see. So guys, these are their panelists who are associated with them. Now if you look into their videos, you will get to know more about their food products which are delicious. Now let's check into their Sunday supper episodes. So if you want to get the recipe, you have to click here. And you will get the full recipe without any problem and further instructions. There are a lot of dishes and ingredients which are mentioned here, and the chefs will guide you. Now, besides this, if you want to know anything more, you can mail them in their mail ID which has been given in their website in Re-Up Me section. And if you want to know about the customer reviews regarding this website, guys, it has received a lot of reviews. If you check it in Google, there are more than thousands of reviews, and it has received 4.7 star out of 5 in Google. So yeah guys, obviously it's a good website which helps people and asks for funds, and people used to donate here. So till now guys, we have this much information regarding this website. If you have any experience or information more about this website, you can give it in the comment box, and we will be highly obliged if you do this. So guys, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe our channel today. Thank you guys.